Hola. Good evening, Mr.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So this is another series makeup look. So ayan, gumawa ako ng box. Tapos dito ako bubunot ng mga item. And then yun yung gagawa ko ng makeup look, o diba? So bored na po ako dito sa bahay. So gumawa na lang ako ng ganito para at least may pagkaabalahan ako. Ayun. So pubunot tayo, tapos kung ano yung makuha ko dun, yun yung gagawan ko ng makeup. Okay, so ang nabunot ko, toothpaste. Toothpaste inspired makeup. Diyos ko po, ang init-init pulang eyeshadow ang gagawin natin ngayon. Okay, so ito yung gagawin natin kasi ito yung nabunot ko. Oh my God, sana mapanindigan natin. And if you want to know how this makeup will turn out, please keep on watching. So ito yung peg natin for today. Ayun. Red, blue, and purple ang nandito. So, ganun probably yung gagawin natin makeup. First, I will spray this Lux Organics Rose Water Glow Mist. Put on some foundation. This is the Maybelline New York Fit Me Foundation in the shade 228 Soft Tan. So, I will just put some light foundation only since it's very hot and ayoko na masyadong makapal ang foundation. To set my face, I will use this Maybelline New York Clear Smooth All-in-One Setting Powder in the shade 5 Sun Beige. So, just spread that on your face so that hindi mag-cake yung nilagay nating foundation. For the contour, I will use this EB Advanced Contour Shade and Light palette. So, ilalagay ko lang siya para ma-define yung aking cheekbones at the same time maglagay ng nose line para mas plakado ang ating face. Plakado ang ating face. Ayun. Okay, since kilay is life, I will use this EB Advanced Eyebrow Kit. Ayun. So, dahil makapal na rin naman yung kilay ko, konti na lang yung nilalagay ko para mas define lang yung kilay ko. And yung parang may mga kalbo-kalbong part, yun na lang yung nilalagyan ko ng powder. For the eyes, I will use this Vice Cosmetics. So, this is from Kenneth. And, since matte lipstick siya, so madali siyang madry. So, nahirapan akong i-achieve yung eyeshadow. And, ayun, blend lang tayo dyan, girl. And, ang ginawa ko, nag-spray na lang ako nung Lux Organics na mist so that parang mas maano siya. Parang maano yung color niya. At the same time, ma-blend siya ng maayos. Talagay is yung color purple since meron dun sa package ng toothpaste. Ayun, so yung palette pala na yun is from Ate Eden. So sa inner corner ko lang pala nilagay yung color purple ng eyeshadow. Kita tayo nitong color blue sa outer corner naman ng ating eyes. Since may blue nga din dun sa Okay, so marami siyang combination of color, red, purple, blue, and then yung parang white. Parang mga crystal niya. Crease effect. I use the Showil eyeshadow. So, ginamit ko yung color white doon na parang glittered. Kasi diba doon sa package, may white din siya. Pinagmix ko lang yung dalawang color, yung fuchsia pink at yung purple. So, parang Barbie ang peg natin. Barbie ang ating blush. For the last part, which is lipstick. So, I used the Careline Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Norm Core. So, parang lang siya, nude color lang. Para hindi na ma-overpower yung ating Kasi masyado na makapal yung eyeshadow and yung blush on. So that's it. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. And please subscribe on my YouTube channel for more vlogs. And thank you sa lahat na nag-subscribe na sa aking channel. So ayun. And see you again on my next videos. Bye-bye!